Weighing rain and snow gauge is a high-precision all-weather precipitation monitoring device. Can monitor precipitation in liquid, solid, and solid-liquid mixtures. The weighing rain and snow gauge can measure precipitation intensity and calculate cumulative precipitation. It is also possible to expand the calculation of relevant precipitation parameters as needed, provide users with accurate, real-time, and convenient data. The device can be applied to meteorology, hydrology, traffic, agriculture and forestry, electricity, national defense, ocean, research and other fields, and can cope with extreme weather conditions such as snowstorm, rainstorm and drought.